Hey, what's going on, guys? So today I'm going to show you how to calibrate your Fire Stick. So if you happen to notice that the image that you're looking at on the screen isn't quite fitting on your TV, or there's certain parts on the TV where you're not seeing the full picture, here I'm going to show you how to do that so it can actually fit to the screen. So first thing you want to do is go over to the settings. And once you get in the settings, you want to go to display and sounds. Inside of display and sounds, you want to click on display and then go down here to calibrate display. So you'll get this little dialog and it'll tell you if the picture isn't quite fitting to your TV. First, you may want to try to adjust it with the actual remote to the TV. And then if it still doesn't fit, you can use the Fire Stick and try to adjust it here. So inside of here to calibrate, you'll get these little arrows, and basically what you will need to do is just try to line the arrows up with the edge of the TV. And then it should be all good from there. So this is how you calibrate the display on the Fire Stick for your TV.